At Coros Institute, we believe an insight is a seed that can transform a life and shape a more caring future for all. That's why we support the teachings of visionaries like Dennis Klosek, rooted in Rudolf Steiner's anthroposophy and biodynamics, bringing new perspectives and inner development to seekers everywhere. We also support SoilSoulandSpirit.com, founded by Ben Klosek, funding events, written content, and video production that reconnect practical science with deeper spiritual roots. Offerings of online courses, essays, and symposia, many free to access, on biodynamics, alchemy, and more, foster curiosity and encourage growth in body, mind, and spirit. In these spaces, hearts open and a new dew of understanding emerges, fueling personal renewal and strengthening our shared humanity. With your support, we can continue to share this living wisdom. Donate today at Coros.org. Thank you.